Hello, my name is AKHILA and I have completed MC in the stream of Computer Science in Aurora's PG College, and I am a recently passed out, 2025 passed out, and I have taken Java full stack course and I joined Jspiders in the year of 2025 and the month of August, and my trainers are Core Java trainer is Raghavendra sir, SQL trainer is Gautam sir, and Web Technologies trainer is Reshma madam, and Advanced Java trainer is Ravi sir, and I have taken one more course, that is React.js, and React.js trainer is Shivanand sir. These trainers helped me very well in placing, and I thank for Reshma ma'am and Geeta ma'am, and have done the internship, pro-bono internship, and this internship helped me very well to improve my subject, whatever I have learned in the we have done internship on React.js and Tailwind CSS. These are the technologies used in the internship. These helped me very well in placing, and I placed as an associate software engineer. And thank you.